Welcome to the nightly vid, starting with the SPY. We will see, as of Wednesday's trading, we went into daily exhaustion risk by taking weekly magnitude out, which gives you weekly exhaustion risk as well. You'll see we closed a 2 up and red, closer to a 2-2 down. Now, this is still nowhere near changing the week and month continuity levels, so if we can stay firm tomorrow, we still want to see this keep going up. Now for below this, 59553, that starts changing things a little bit. So we're going to be monitoring to see if we can firm or negate. We will be aware we have jobs numbers Friday, which can tend to, set in motion the rest of the month. But that's what we're looking at right now. If we go to the Dow Jones, you will see a 2 up but red at the top of the daily broadening formation. If we go to IWM, we'll see a 2 up but red. And then Q's was still green with a momentum hammer. So tech and semis stay a little stronger. See the dojis up at the highs / hammers, and everything else a little bit redder. That being said, inside bars, we will see Costco. Inside day, this is at the top of its daily broadening formation up in here. We will see Walmart inside day. Note at the top of its broadening formation up in here. Like such, we will then see MicroStrategy and the Bitcoiners inside day, up or down. If we go to Lululemon, we will see Lululemon inside day after making some new highs. Top of this broadening formation in here. If we go to Goog, you'll see Google inside day. So if tech and semis continue to be stronger, potentially PMG in this one. And then in the healthcares, we'll see Myrna 3-1 day, maybe a 3-2 PMG down through all of this stuff. And that would be causing the reclaim of this at 27.85. With the healthcares, XLV, you'll see looking similar. And on that note, we're going to take a look at the indexes / sectors. So we'll see today things following through include your home builders off the 2-2 on a Tuesday, mentioned in Monday night's nightly vid. Go check it out and see what you could have done. We will see obviously tech and semis from the month or the nightly / weekend video. And then on the things coming back in a little bit, the IYZ, which is your communications, telecommunications, KBE, banking, financials, which is your financials banking, healthcares with the shooter, which will include Apple shooter slightly in there. Industrials, slight 2 up in red, up at the all-time highs. And the things that reverse today, energies, right? OIH maybe a 3-2-2 tomorrow. XOP is scenario 1. So XLE already reversed. If this goes 2-2 and this goes inside down, those energies could be trying to take those weekly and monthly signals down. Something we'll have on the list tonight. You'll see gold is a little firmer with silver double inside. And outside of that, there's not much else to take a look at. Right now, the VIX, we got no actionable signals setting up. And it looks like the Dixie / the dollar went inside, which I'm not sure if it does overnight session. But that's what we're seeing. And if we then get back to the rest of the charts here, if we go to the Homebuilders XHB with the relative strength, we see still, you'll see PHM, boom. We talk about this hammer at the bottom of this. We did. Go check out Monday night's nightly vid. DHI. Did we talk about the hammer at the bottom of this? We did. Boom. Right. If we go to Home Depot and Lowe's, we did mention those, and we said they had the smaller ranges in here. So they did do it, but came back in a little there. If we go to other ones, KBH, nice. See the same exact triangle playing out here. And, there's probably more TOL. It's going to be doing the same thing, but really nice moves in those guys if you're playing the home builds. If we then go back to the rest of the list, two up in red will include OIH for the 3-2-2 in the energies, which could cause the RevStrat week. XOM 2-2 down, which could cause a 3 on the week, which would cause the month down. XOM, and if we zoom out a little bit, broadening formation tells you down in here, like such. If we can get momentum below this, if we go to Oxy, still inside month, but potential RevStrat week with the 322 day to the downside PMGs to try and do it. With FANG, the looks like 2-2 day to try and rev strat the week to try and maybe take the month down. So still watching those, but we did see today with the energy numbers as foretold. You'll see the 3-2-2, fun to say, fun to do, and the energies simultaneous break, which caused all this. So we'll see if that continues to follow through. Outside of that, no XLV with Myrna. And that is about it for your nightly vid. The only other two is going to be DGX in healthcares with Myrna and XLV, which could become the PMG off a 3122 rev strat day to the downside below 172.85. And then IBKR, which slight rev strat day in your financials, believe. Yeah. And that's it. So have a good rest of your night. Here is your cheat sheet right up in here if you're looking to copy off me. And we'll see what we get tomorrow prior to the non-farm payroll. So adios, or actually the jobs numbers, but adios and have a good rest of your night.